kindergartners and first graders. We are going to do a little demonstration on how to tear paper for your art project today. So you probably read the Fredrick book already about that little mouse. The pictures in the book are all made from torn paper. So I wanted you to get to make your own type of picture by using torn paper as well. So first we need to talk about how to tear paper. Now you're going to have to use your little pinching fingers. Now let's talk about the paper real quick. I'm using construction paper and I have a blank piece of paper that I can glue my paper on. If you don't have construction paper, you can use magazine paper, newspaper, and you could color the newspaper, or you can even get regular paper and color it yourself, like blue or red or whatever colors you like, and then tear that paper. So first, you need to make sure you're using pinching fingers. These are pinching fingers. And what you're going to do is you're going to pinch the paper with both fingers, and you're going to tear like this. You're going to have one hand go towards you, and the other hand will stay away from you. So we're going to do that again. So I'm going to pinch. And you can tear it in any type of shape you want. You can just tear and see what kind of shapes are created. So like I have this, it's kind of like a rectangle, but not quite. Have this very tall triangle shape. This kind of looks like a pillow to me. Now if you want to make special shapes, you'll have to kind of do small little tears. And if you do small tears, you'll get any shape that you want to create. Or you can just tear and tear it up. And then we'll see what kind of shapes we get. So remember, pinching fingers. If you don't know how to tear, we have to practice those skills first. And then we can do our project. I can even tear two pieces of paper at the same time. I'm going to tear a little bit of my brown paper. I'm going to try to make some skinny ones. When you make them really skinny, they kind of curl. You make little curly cues. I'm just going to tear some more paper real quick. Alright, so I'm going to leave the rest of this paper alone. I think I have enough paper. So before you get started, it might be a good idea to look at your pieces and see if you see anything. I know that I made a little circle. I mean, that could be a rock. That could be an egg. I think I'm going to make it an egg. Then I can take my brown paper and I can maybe make a bird's nest. So I'm going to tear this a little bit skinnier so I can make a bird's nest. And if you want to make more than one picture and you have enough paper to make more than one picture, you can do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my glue stick, and on the back of my paper, just do a little bit of glue. And then you got to stick it on your paper. Okay, and then I'm going to put my egg in the nest. And I made a little bird's nest, all by tearing paper. You can fill up your whole page if you want to. You can do anything you want. Just make a picture out of your torn paper and make sure you start learning how to write your name on your paper for me. That way you have plenty of practice. And so when you're going into first grade or second grade, your teachers don't have to teach you how to write your name anymore. You know how. All done.